Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Patch Tuesday is something we talk about quite frequently on the channel. And as many of you will know, Patch Tuesday is the second Tuesday of every month when Microsoft rolls out their security, compulsory mandatory quality updates every month. Now, believe it or not, it's been 20 years since Patch Tuesday updates started rolling out, with Microsoft saying with this announcement that currently Patch Tuesday updates roll out to more than 1.4 billion monthly active Windows devices. So I thought if you would be interested, seeing we do talk about Patch Tuesday, just to do a bit of a brief overview and history over the last 20 years of Patch Tuesday updates, if you would be interested. Now, first of all, before Patch Tuesday, updates were kind of all over the place. So updates for Windows and Office and other Microsoft products would kind of arrive sporadically, and especially if you were a system admin, which I've been in the past, this could cause a bit of a headache because you didn't know exactly when the different updates were arriving, which could, obviously make things a bit tedious and a little bit all over the place, so to speak. So because of this, on January the 12th, 2002, Bill Gates sent out a company email announcing the creation of the Trustworthy Computing Initiative, which simply became known as Patch Tuesday a couple of months later. Now, Patch Tuesday didn't start in January of 2002. The first Patch Tuesday updates actually started rolling out in October of 2003. That's why last month in October, Microsoft now is celebrating 20 years of Patch Tuesday updates. And the reason Microsoft decided on the second Tuesday of every month and called it Patch Tuesday is simply because for predictability. Because as mentioned before Patch Tuesday, updates were all over the place and a bit sporadic, and you didn't know when they were arriving. So just collating everything into the second Tuesday of the month means, especially for system admins, you know exactly when the updates are arriving. So that would be updates for Windows, Office, and so on, and all the different Microsoft products and services. So you know that on the second Tuesday of the month, those updates are arriving. So it's because of predictability. Now, why is it not called Patch Monday? And why do, as an example, the updates not roll out on a Monday? It's very simple, because once again, Microsoft is giving system admins the Monday to get their devices and their systems in order to start receiving the updates on the following day, the Tuesday. So that's simply why it isn't rolling out on a Monday. It just gives them that first day of the week to get everything in order. And Patch Tuesday updates are also called B-release updates, as many of you will know if you view this channel. And then we also get a C-release update, which I simply refer to as the optional bug fix update that rolls out near the end of every month, anywhere between the third and the fourth week, and those are also known as C-release updates. And then we also get another update called an out-of-band or OOB update, which basically is an emergency update. So Microsoft pushes out the OOB, out-of-band emergency updates between the Patch Tuesday or the optional bug fix update if there is, as an example, a critical security issue that cannot wait to be addressed. And we have actually spoken about a couple of out-of-band updates on the channel. So basically, OOB updates are emergency updates to address mainly critical security issues that cannot wait for the next update cadence. And like it or hate it, I know there's a lot of mixed reactions regarding Patch Tuesday, but nonetheless, they are yet to stay. And 20 years since the first Patch Tuesday updates started rolling out in October of 2003. And while we are talking about Patch Tuesday, if we head to the calendar, our next Patch Tuesday is next week, the 14th of November, 2023, which is once again the second Tuesday of the month. And that's when Microsoft will be rolling out this month's compulsory mandatory security and quality updates. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.